a Stitch Fix day. Hey everyone, I'm Barbara with BCsells. Welcome to my home, welcome to my channel, and welcome to an unboxing. Okay, Stitch Fix. Who doesn't know what Stitch Fix is by now? Stitch Fix, just in case you don't know, is a personal styling service delivered to your home. They have a $20 styling fee that is credited to anything that you purchase, or a lot of people have an opportunity to get the styling pass, which is $49 for the year, which I am very pleased to announce that I have, so I'm very happy about that. Oh, shoes. Free shipping. Shoes, I'm excited. For anything that is sent to you and any returns, let's see. Yes, they provide a prepaid envelope that goes back through the post office, I believe, yes. So you can drop it up or you can leave it for your mailman to pick up, but I always like to get a receipt. Okay, and let's see, you get a styling sheet. Oh, you only have 3 days to make a decision, but you can always ask for an extension. All right, so I've got some items. Let me see which stylist I have. Okay, still have Laura. And I did make some requests. I've requested some shorts. I did request a particular pair of shoes, so I hope that's what's in here. And she says, happy fix day. I hope you enjoyed this sunny day in Alexandria. I read through your request. Yay, thank you, Laura. And saw what you're looking for, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I will read more of that later. Okay, and then you also get the invoice, the dreaded invoice. I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm gonna wait and see if I like the items and then go from there. Also, if you keep everything in the box, we call it a 5 for 5, you get an additional 25% off. Let's start with the shoes. Okay. Okay. I am a happy girl. These are not exactly what I asked for. I asked for white, but these probably are better than just a white pair because I'm thinking white to wear with dresses and skirts. And these are, I'm thinking this might be like a little bit of a gray. These are the kids. I received another pair in a solid light gray that are comfortable. I mean, I can't go shopping in the mall with them on, but I can wear them like just, for shorter walks, like to go to an event or dinner or whatever, or to a friend's house. So these are a possibility. Okay, so I think the color will be fine, actually. All right, so try those on. See our burrito. All right, let's see what Laura sent me. A sweater. It's 100 degrees here, but I like the color. Oh, it's a Doman. That's cute. I actually like that. And it's lightweight. So I think, the weather can start changing probably in September. So yeah, I like it. I like it. Could be good. All right, I can feel this is 100% polyester. I do not like the feel of this. This is that polyester that is really warm. Looks like just dome and top, print's nice. It's got the sleeves that roll and they're attached. Another dome and sleeve. So, I have white on today. All right, try that on. Ooh, it feels nice. This feels really nice, stripes. Okay. This is another sweater, feels heavier. It's pretty. Oh, I bet that looks really cute on. But it's a heavier sweater. Looks like 3/4 inch sleeves. It's really, really soft. Oh, it's, okay, that's cute. All right, well, better try, and what are these? Shorts. Oh, they're not hot pants shorts. They're a little bit longer. I hope these roll down. Please, please roll down. No, oh darn. I want the ones that roll down. I wonder if I can undo those. Okay, these might, I said at least a 7-inch inseam, which is probably what that is, but we will see. I like the color, the gray, and they're a little distressed, which I like. So, all right, we'll try them on and see if they're long enough. Let's get to the fun stuff. Okay, this top is $36. It's a size small. This is actually a really pretty blue. It's by Vernon Ave. I like how it's longer in the back. I like the length of it. I do like the shape of it, although I think it might be a little big on me. I think an extra small would fit better. It's a really pretty color. Okay, it has the, what do you call this? The little cup sleeve, I guess, and it's attached. Just a plain neckline. Pattern's pretty. Just a nice, simple shirt to put on. I mean, it's not too big underneath the arms, which is nice, but it just, even though this is domin', it just, I don't know, does it look big on me? I just think maybe an extra small would look a little bit better, although, I don't know though, because then I have my hips to cover and then that makes this too tight. So actually an extra small would probably won't fit me here. So, I don't know, it's pretty, it's really pretty. And it looks great with the white skirt and with my shoes, so, I don't know, it's 98% polyester, 2% spandex. It has that, crepey feeling to it, which is kind of warm. So this would be better for me for like in the fall, but it's a cute top. What do you guys think? Okay, this is by Layla Jade. It's $58. This is a size small, domin' sleeves. The color is light purple. It's really pretty, it's very soft. It's polyester, rayon, and a little bit of spandex in it. I like it. I love the idea of this. I like domin' sleeves. I think it's a little low because if it's kind of, I have it pulled back a bit. I think that I would need to wear a cami underneath it, and in the fall that would probably work out great. I love the color, the light purple. It's just a nice simple neck. It's not really a V neck, and it's kind of like between a V and a round neck. Just your 3/4 inch sleeves. Did I tell you it's $58? It's a really cute sweater. I like it. What do you guys think? Let's see what's next. Okay, I have the next top and I have the shoes on. So let's talk about this top. How cute is this? I love the fit. It's an extra small, it's $58. It's by Market & Spruce. It's a 3/4 inch sleeves. This is a French terry knit. It is so soft. It's really soft. It's got the finished hem on the neckline, which I like finished hems. The neckline, the hem on the bottom, I like the detail here where the piping continues up along the side. It gives it a little something something. The stripes are matched up. To me that speaks quality. I mean, I didn't look at the fabric. but it's really nice. Okay, I tried this top on with the shorts from my fix, and I'm gonna put those on. They are short. They're about an inch shorter than what I wear, but I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you. But because they're not high-waisted and my shorts are, it kind of bunched up here and it was not flattering at all. Didn't show the top well. So I put this on with a pair of leggings, and that, I mean, it just smoothed. I mean, it looked really nice with leggings, but the leggings were black, which is okay. But then I thought, okay, I wear jean shorts a lot, so what is this gonna look like if I were to wear my shorts for the day? And I think it looks great. $58. I just feel, it just feels quality, and the material feels wonderful. Love the length. I love that it covers that booty. Okay, I wish the stripes weren't going this way, but I think it looks great. What do you guys think? All right, let me show you these shoes. These shoes feel really nice. I requested these. These are actually, they're called an off-white. They're by Keds. They're $58, size 7. They're called the Kickstart Novelty Textile. So let me show them to you. Okay, one more shirt. Or no, not a shirt, the jeans, shorts. Hang on. Okay, these are the cut from the cloth shorts. They are $68. They are size 6. They're a dark gray. They're the Lonnie's. They're shorter than what I normally wear. I don't think these are high-waisted. I don't know. Yeah, well, maybe they are. I mean, my belly button's right here, so I don't know. The cuff does not come down. They are shorter than what I normally wear. They don't feel good. I don't know if because they're shorter. I'm not crazy about the color. I can tell they're stretching out a little bit, which is great because that gives me a little more room up here. For $68, I don't know. I wish this rolled down. If this rolled down an inch, that would be perfect. They're just not, it's just not a comfortable feel for me. I mean, I'd wear them. I'd get some wear out of them. I would. But for $68, do I want to keep them? Okay, so here's my shorts. Okay. See the difference? I mean, I had these on before. These I'm very comfortable in. And I normally wear black and white, or these, I think these are by, yeah, Tommy Hilfiger. And they're, you know, they're a size 6 also. So, and these feel wonderful. I feel good in these, but I would like to have some edgy shorts, and I like the distressing, but I would like for this to roll down, so I have that 1 extra inch. Although, I mean, the length's not bad. It's not, I agree. And again, we all have our thing. So I feel like I have to keep pulling these up. I don't know though. I mean, I'd wear them, but I don't know. All right, so I don't know, this could be a 5 for $5 because let me go over the pricing with you. I've got to watch the video because I'm a little confused. Okay, the total of my box is $278. If I buy all 5, I get a 25% discount that takes off $69.50. So basically the shorts would be free, and as much as I wear them, you know, for free, I would get my money's worth. So then the subtotal would be $208.50. But I have $133.72 credit. Thank you very much for whoever used my referral links. I'm gonna have to see if I can find out who it is. I'll have to look on the site and see. I'm stuttering on the site and see who used it. So thank you, thank you. So if I bought all, my price would be $74.78 out of pocket because I don't have a styling fee since I paid the Style Pass. This is my fixed number 14. Okay, so now the credits don't go away. So, I mean, I can use the $133 towards something else. So I kind of have to take that out of my head. I mean, if I loved everything, then it would be a no-brainer. But there's only 2 items that I'm actually considering, and that's the shoes. Here's my other pair that I have. Okay, so they're very similar, and I got them from Stitch Fix. So these are a gray versus an off-white. So they are different. So I'll get wear out of these. And the only other thing would be, the shoes are definite, $58. Out of pocket, oh well, it would come from my credit, so it wouldn't cost me anything because of the credit, but no discount. And then the other thing is maybe this sweater. I think it might be a little big, maybe if I could exchange it for an extra small, because I like the feel of it, but I think that it was just a little, maybe it's the neckline was just too big, I don't know. And this is $58. So that would be $116 total for just the 2 items. Again, it would come out of my credit, so it wouldn't cost me anything. But again, the credits don't expire. So what do? Although let's see. Okay, this top, I like the idea of this top. I'm not crazy about the stripes. I think it's a fair price. But I don't like the stripes, but I love the shape and everything else about this. So do I settle? It's cute on, but it's not, I won't reach for it. No, it'll hang in the closet and it'll be, out of desperation, just needing something because the laundry needed done or something. But this I would not grab for. So with that said, and I need to watch the video back because I could change my mind. And based on your feedback, what do you guys think I should do? Should I save the credits and just get the shoes because I really like the shoes? Should I downsize? Should I try to get an extra small in this and then just keep the 2 that I really like and save the rest of my credits? I don't know. What should I do? Let me know. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. From my home to yours.